Yes, welcome to my channel, Banking Guru, and today in this video I will cover 25 error detection which are very important for your any competitive exam, and I will discuss one by one. Then these are very important error detection. You should know the rules, and you should also write the rules on your copy. Okay, so I will discuss one by one. First one is all the members of the club are kindly requested to attend the meeting. Here this kindly is extra. You uh, don't need to write this here. Okay, kindly is unnecessary word. Okay, here the structure should be all the members of the club are requested to attend the meeting. So answer is kindly is superfluous. Okay, kindly is superfluous. Okay, the next one is this is wrist watch which my uncle brought it for me. Here here it is superfluous. Okay, it is extra. You need not write this it. Okay, so it is superfluous here, extra. Okay, then error is in third part. Okay, then move on to the next one, which is she asked me where I was going to and what I had done the previous day. So 2 is superfluous here. Okay, 2 is extra. You need not write. If you don't write, if you don't write 2, then the structure will also correct in this sentence. Okay, then move on to the next. This is he will leave for Mexico on Monday with bag and baggage. Okay, with is superfluous here. With is extra word which you need not write, and if you did not write this word, then also this sentence will correct. Okay, next one is this idea of the home ministers has put everyone in serious thoughts. In this sentence, this idea of the home ministers, here apostrophe s, you should remove this as. Okay, after removing this s, then this sentence will be correct. Okay, then next one is the teacher forbade the students not to make a noise. So forbid means itself is a negative word. Okay, forbid is itself a negative word, so you need not write not here. Okay, so not is superfluous and not is extra. So the correct structure of this sentence will be the teacher forbade the students to make a noise. Okay, then next sentence, Rita, cousin sister of the, here see here cousin sister, you can write only cousin or sister. Okay, you can't use together a cousin and sister. Okay, so Rita Rita's sister. You should write Rita's sister. Okay. So cousin is superfluous. Okay. So it is extra for this thing. So move on to the next one. These are the answers of previous questions. Okay, these are the answers 1 to 7. Okay, you can uh, you can analyze. Then move on to the next. Your 8 number is Harish is comparatively better today and we hope that he will recover soon, said Ramesh. Here comparatively with better, you can't write comparatively. You either you can use Harish is better or Harish. So you can't write comparatively better. Better is itself uh, a itself a noun, and you can't see here. Comparatively better is superfluous. Okay, Harish is comparatively good or Harish is better. You can either write comparatively good or Harish is better. Okay, then 9 number is 9 number question is yesterday in the night he came by bus and was disturbed. Yesterday in the night, you can also write it last night. Okay, last night. So you yesterday in the this structure is not good for this sentence. Okay, and you can't you should use last night here. So last night he came by bus and was disturbed. Okay, then move on to the next. Then in Jaipur she came across with many of her. So across with, you can't use this across and with together. Okay, so you can't use both together. So next one is Pakistan's support to the terrorists in India is universally condemned by all. So the right structure is for this sentence: the Pakistan's support to the terrorists in India is universally condemned. Okay, by all is superfluous because it is extra, so you need not write this by all. Okay, then move on to the next one. Within 2 hours we will approach near Agra by car. Here within 2 hours we will approach near Agra, not you need not use it. Okay, near is superfluous and it is extra information, so you need not uh, write it. Okay, then next one is suppose if all problems are solved, what would you do then? Here suppose and if you can't use together. Okay, you should use either suppose or if. So if is and suppose is superfluous here in extra information. So I hope you clear your all doubts, and these are the answers. You can take the screenshot of it. So move on to the next one. It is when he lent me some money, he asked to return it back within a week. Okay, when he lent me some money, he asked to return it back. So return is also, you can't use it together, return it back. So back, back is superfluous here. When he lent me some money, he asked to return it within a week. Okay, back is superfluous here. Then move on to the next one, which is throughout the whole year. So here is an error, which is throughout the whole year, not you. Whole is superfluous. Okay, whole is extra. So you should write throughout the year. Okay. The next one is the recent incidents of corruption employ illustrate about the characters of our political leaders. The recent incidents of corruption. So here about is superfluous. Okay. If you will not use about here, then you need not worry for this sentence. Okay. So about is unnecessary word here. Okay. Then move on to the next one. The think what you like is available in that department store. So here you can, the thing, you can use two types of this sentence, and you can replace here the thing which. Either you can use here which, or yeah, you can remove thing. Okay, the thing. Okay, so there are two types of sentence here you can make. The things which you like is, and either you can remove the thing, and what you like is available in the department store. Okay, then move on to the next. He denied that he was not present. So denied means itself a negative word, so you can use it here. He denied that he was present there at the time accident took place. Okay, the next one is the PM said that it was his decision and that nobody could get it changed. So here the PM said that it was his decisions, and here that is superfluous. Okay, so that is extra word. Okay, you should remove it. So move on to the next. These are the answers. You can take a screenshot of it. So move on to the next. Which is the students requested the teacher to repeat the questions again. So here you can easily identify the wrong error. So the students requested the teacher to repeat the question. Okay, again is superfluous. Okay, you need not write it. The reason why most of the people commit crime is because is superfluous here. Is wrongly used here. Okay, the reason why most of the people commit crime because they are unaware of the legal complication. Then move on to the next 22 number. He does not hardly know about the real factors that have created so many problems. Here hardly is superfluous here. Okay, then move on to the next. My mother asked me if I have sufficient enough. So sufficient enough can't use together. Okay, these are the wrong structure. Okay, you can either use sufficient or money enough. Okay, the mother asked me, I have either sufficient or enough enough money. Okay, so next one is they were quite all right when they went to the police station to lodge an FIR. So quiet means all. Okay, then this is extra all, so you can't use they were quite all on. Okay, so they were all is extra and it's superfluous, you should remove it. Okay, then last one is he stayed in Jammu for a very short period of time. So of time is superfluous here. Okay, I hope you cleared your all doubts and you learned some rules from this video, and I hope this is beneficial for you. So this you can take a screenshot of it, and these are 25 error detection. And thank you very much for watching this video.